How to upload the longer videos on Instagram Reels. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. First of all, go to the Google Play Store, search for the very Instagram application option. After you search for it, make sure you have installed and updated the latest version. Now simply open your Instagram, make sure you have logged into your account. Now you want to post a reel longer, then make sure that you cannot post very longer reels. It's about 30 to 45 seconds only, 60 seconds only. Longer than that won't be selected on the reels. If you want to save or post something longer than that, then you can simply go on your profile section and then tap on the very post option, choose your video from the gallery and then post it on your feed, not as a reel but as a video. So that's one thing that you can do because Instagram does not have that feature right now. So I hope you like the video, and if you like the video then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.